Today, I'll show you how to fix limited PayPal account. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign into the PayPal account that shows the limitation message. A limited PayPal account means some features may be blocked. For example, you may not be able to send money, withdraw money, receive payments, or close the account until the issue is resolved. PayPal says limitations are usually removed by completing the steps shown in the Resolution Center. Once you are signed in, check your dashboard for a warning message, notification, or bell icon. Tap or click the message to see what PayPal needs from you. You can also go directly to the Resolution Center. Inside the Resolution Center, PayPal will show the actions required to fix the limitation. For example, PayPal may ask you to confirm your identity, verify your address, confirm your bank or card, explain recent activity, provide business information, or upload documents. PayPal may limit accounts for reasons like regulatory checks, unauthorized activity, high-risk activity, account inactivity, or possible policy issues. Now, complete each step one by one. If PayPal asks for proof of identity, upload a clear photo of your government ID, driver's license, passport, or another accepted document. Make sure the photo is not blurry, all four corners are visible, and the information matches your PayPal account. PayPal's Help Center says documents should be legible, complete, not blocked out, and should match the account details. If PayPal asks for proof of address, upload an accepted document such as a utility bill, bank statement, phone bill, lease agreement, or other document PayPal allows. If PayPal asks about a transaction, explain it clearly and honestly. After uploading everything, submit the information. Now wait for PayPal to review your account. Check your email and PayPal notifications regularly for updates. If PayPal asks for more information, provide it as soon as possible. Be careful with fake PayPal emails. If an email says your account is limited, do not click suspicious links. Sign in directly through the official PayPal app or website and check the Resolution Center. So, to keep it simple, sign in to PayPal, open the Resolution Center, complete every required step, upload clear documents, submit the information, and wait for PayPal's review. And that's how you fix limited PayPal account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.